E la luna mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma di tari.
On today's episode of the Nona Effect, Nona teaches Malaika how to make chicken cutlets.
Do you have a recipe written down or is this in your head?
Oh, she literally just told me that and I didn't write it down.
It's okay.
Let's do that.
Okay.
1 pound of breadcrumbs, but it has to be fresh breadcrumbs. You can't buy the 4C breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Pecorino, half a teaspoon of pepper and half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of spicy pepper, a parsley,
Fresh parsley.
fresh parsley, crisp. You have a breadcrumb, garlic, pecorino, parsley, salt, pepper.
And not too spicy because Sam does not like spicy food.
The chicken, due via, you cut it, okay?
Okay.
Oh boy.
And the chicken is supposed to be washed. No, people don't wash the chicken.
Wash your chicken.
How do you wash your chicken, Nona?
Wash again. Put in a thing for you.
Ooh, this is bad. I look crazy. All right.
Your
Okay.
first cutlet. Nobody likes a fat chicken cutlet, right? Skeeful.
I'll be getting close on my fingernails now.
Okay, I'll just go to the chicken.
My hands is chopped. Y'all just trying to set me up. Yes, ma'am. Made by me. I know, right? And you're gonna eat like 2 pieces. I'm gonna make your plate.
Well, you like it, right?
Huh?
Did you eat it?
No, I do not. But I'm cooking, so I'm focused right now.
Okay, eat it. And put it on you like a mom. You're not allergic. You're not allergic. You
People could be allergic to it's salty fish.
Her first cooking show.
I don't even need the flavor for it.
This is better when you use it.
I know, but it's
I
like
do a little.
my wrist.
Did she put anything in her head? Like
No.
cheese?
Nope.
Oh, so she makes some good
Just egg
Just like,
and salt
Everybody
chicken.
makes their chicken cutlets different. Everybody.
say again?
I said everybody makes their chicken cutlets a little different.
You're getting judged, Malaika.
Huh?
She's judging you on how you do this.
Correct.
We're making bruschetta here.
Yeah.
Because I got tired of just eating regular spices. So
If you put plant sage, it'll tickle and mint. And what do you do with the bruschetta? Do you put it on top of the chicken?
E la luna mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma di tari. Figlia mia, cosa dare, mamma mia, pensaci tu. That's it. That's enough now.
I'm so angry about that.
This is my chicken salad. Malaika did a good job today.
thank you.
And they did a good job. They did a chicken salad for Nona.
Chicken cutlets for Nona. And you need to get the staff eating all of that.